Chibai ule, tuntum English class akan zir tur chu. The Story of My Life, the English Literature Reader for Class 10, Lesson number 2 niya. Hele kabu hi nuro pui tak mei Helen Kellery zia kaniya. Kumsom ni pan ni milek ani laya a autobiography, The Story of My Life, ti azia atanga la kaniya. Kumsang khat zakwa pathum ma publish kaniya. Autobiography kan ti chuan mi in ama chanchin ama ngei na azia ti na ani. Today we will learn how she overcomes adversity to become an inspiration for all. Adversity mo hei thil harsa hun harsa atona tanga mi te inspired tu ani dan kha voina chuan kan zir don ani. As the first baby in their family, Helen led a very normal life, just like any other baby. There was the usual amount of discussion as to a name for her because the first baby of the family was not to be lightly named, and everyone was emphatic about that. Helen hi noted dang ang bukin noted chatak may na lo pianga. An chung kwa a noted piang masaber ani wangin aming phua kha poi mo ma achan chu noted masaber kha chu aming phua kha enge ming thatak kha pe kha an du nya chumi ni wang chuanin an chung ko zinga mi ho reng kha khanin an an ma ni phua nge kha putir kha tumin emphatic about it atiani. Emphatic kan ti chuanin an ma ni thu soi kha midang min tum khan thei patop khan chwa vek mai ni. Her father strongly suggested to name her Mildred Campbell, an ancestor whom he greatly respected. But her mother said that it was her wish to name her after her mother, whose maiden name was Helen Everett. In textbook khanin esteem ti kharon manga za em ti nani. Heleni pa chuanin an thla tu te zinga mi angai san mai Mildred Campbell ti ming choya ming phua tuma ma se anu ve thung chuanin ke manu ming choin Helen Everett ti yang atia anu maiden name mo apasal nei ma a ming chin a maiden name Helen Everett ti choya a ming sakha du ve thungani. But in the excitement of carrying Helen to church, her father had forgotten the name because it was not the name chosen by him. And when the minister asked him for the name, he gave her name as Helen Adams, not Helen Everett. Chutia phur takmaya Heleni ming phua tora biak in an vakal chuan Heleni pa ber chuan in a ming kha a thei ngil te tlat mai ni ministerin tunge anote ming ti an zo khan Helen Adams ti na soi te tlata Helen Everett ti tur kha a thei ngil te tlat mai ni chu bak shim shima apa khanin ka enroll pe vel to love kha lo ti ve to shim shima. It was one in which he had declined to have a part more ama ming phua khan ti don lo wang khanin enroll pe vel to lo shim shima a thei ngil lui nge mani ti thei ani tara. Khotlang lam Christian te chuanin no te alo pian hian baptisma chantir pa in a hming tur kha official takin biakina khanin an vasa thina chu christening ti in an soi thina ni. Helen was told that while she was still in long dresses, she showed to be a baby of eager and willing to express herself confidently, imitating everything she saw what other people are doing. Slide 10. Man lai chuan no te hi kor sei put mei sa pho te chuan in an hak ti china chumi ni wang chuan Helen po khanin kor sei tak kala hak lain ti na soyani. No sen takala ni lai takin Helen chu no te in zo tak mo thil engkim mei a mel lan dan tile khatia nga tanga character nga em mei kha ani ngal rungot meya mi ti dan han zir te kha athiam mea tharuk lek ani chuanin alo tong thei ti dera how di than ti ang chi te tin ni khat pe chu mi zong mak ti in thingpui an in khom na khan ti lo ti ve vak me ni pipe out in textbook mi kha soi chuak ti na. Even after her illness, she still remembered the word water after all words were forgotten. It was only after she learned how to spell the word that she stopped making the sound wah wah ti kha a spell thiam nuwa kha ni top chuni water ti tong kam kha ma lai mi kha a sha chun kha ani ni. She was told that she could walk when she was one. When her mother took her out from the bathtub to hold her in her lap, Helen was attracted by the flickering shadow of leaves in the sunlight on the smooth floor. Helen chung ten an shil dan chuan kum khat ani hian in akal thei der meya no in pom tura bathtub atanga an lak chwa chuan Helen kha na ni in an chun hlim thla lo phezeu zip flickering khanin amit khala tatlat mai ni. She slipped from her mother's lap and almost ran towards the shadow. When the impulse to run was gone, she fell down and cried for her mother to pick her up. Umal chunga tang chuan tol thla in chung hna hlim thla chu tlan ti in a ta a ma se a phur thut na impulse kha an re chuan a tlu hnoka chap chungin anu pom angen le ngal ni. But those happy days soon died. All she knew was one short spring filled with the song of robin and mockingbird, one summer with many fruits and roses, and one autumn filled with golden and crimson color. Ma se chung hlimni te chuan rain dai lo. A hriat om chun chu spring voi khat. Robin savate, mockingbird savate, zai chua chu chum le nipui lai voi khat. Thei ra tam tok hun lai le rose te an vul chuk lai fawang voi khat rangkachak rong le sen crimson color sen lar moi takina thing te lo chei chuai hun lai chau kha ania. Autobiography ma ni chanchin ma ni nge ya zia ania chumi ni wang chuanin first person a zia ani autobiography reng hi. Then came the dreary month of February, and it brought the illness which made Helen blind and deaf and pushed her back to the state of a newborn baby as fast as it came. 26. Tichuan February lungai thak churun thengta he thla hian natna Heleni middelle bengong ron ni tir tu kha chak tak meya aron kal ang chi khan Heleni kha no te mo no te sen din huna khan chak tak main anuk niam thlale ni. Her illness was called acute congestion of the stomach and brain. The doctor thought that she would die, but one morning the fever left her as quickly as it came. Everyone was happy, but no one, not even the doctor, knew that she would never see or hear again. Andatna hi acute congestion of the stomach and brain tiania athisen mo nang ban ne mo alo om khan taksapeng khoi lai mo kha alo no a chu chuan in vung lo siam da thina doctor te po khan athidon me mon ti ni ma se jing kha chu khak khosik kha rang takaron kalang mei khan rang tak khanin a bole ta de meya ti chuanin mi zong song chu an chung ko ho kha an lom em meya ma se tu ma in doctor me upo khanin a mule to ngai don lo ti le a bengin a shile to ngai don lo ti kha an shimia lo ni. Suddenly and mysteriously as it had come, rang tak le mak taka a local ang chiin a khosik khan the fever left me khosik khanin min kian sanani atiani. Helen Khan adam lo tir lampang kha asha thui vak lawa asha chunero chu anumal chunga a mother's lap anumal chunga thude ureng meite tin chu ba ka chonin anun sekrek an khoi vela akora lo wan det reng meite kha asha tania tin akut khan thil reng kha akut khan an dap vel china khatia ang khan thil tam tak kha azir veya bidang te kha zaizirin athiam ang tok khanin an beveya alu an thin khan ka du lo ai han ti nan tan te lu han buk kha o ti nan te mi han nim te kha kal ro ti nan te mi han nge ni po te kha lo kal ro an ti nan ang chi te khanin an mang ve a chang thob du chuan chang thop kat ang te khanin akut khan zai zir nan tia tin anu kha ice cream siam tura an du reng chuanin vot ti mel om em khanin an khur vela an shiver vela zer han work tir dan te kha an zir vel bok thin ani anu hianin thil tam tak a hria thiam tira atir na hmuna te po hianin atlan ve dat tata inchunga te emo hmun khoilai po ni se atirna khana kal ve zela anu in fing tak le thiam taka enkolna azara kha ator na re tak zan thim re tak ang meya khan eng le thatna te alo her chuak ve ni hetiani. When she was 5 years old, Helen understood a good deal of what was happening around her, learned how to fold, keep and distinguish her own clothes. Kumnga ani chuan Helen chuanin thil tam tak kha lo hrithiam ve to a thil tam tak lo zir to boka ama thomno te po midang thomno laka tangkhanin a thliar sang theya a thlep fel theya a fai le a bal po kha thliar sang thei bokani distinguish adang laka tanga thliar sang thei laundry in suk na hmun istri te po han no thei na hmun pindan sang bi kha ni anu le a aunt anu te ho te kha anin cheidana tangkhanin an chua tu le tu lo kha a she sang vek meya Helen chuan chua ve chakin alo ngen ve zia backed ngen invariably engtiklai po in lengte lo chhon tu bera khanin an mang boka ano tet laya alo ti dan thin kha ala she re roya alo vai ve lo thinani vague chiang lo roya shia gesture han ti khan kan taksa kan lu han chet dan vel te kan ban han vai vel dan te tum khat chu anu ron tlo turin papakhat hi alo kala kongkhar han in khar ri vel le ridang te atang khanin mi an lo leng ani ti kha Heleni khana she theya tu ma dan rual lovin in chung lama chuanin atlan chho tawak meya ta hian verb phrase called on ti kha lo oma pay a visit to someone atu mo han tlo ti na mei khani o Helen chuan in leng an neya midang ten an ti dan ni a hria in darthlalang hma chuan an dinga sashiak chu alua chuanin an thi a amai powder cha tokin an hnoi le boka veilin amai le adar thleng khuin an in tuam le a ti chuanin bustle lian tok mai kha akonga chuanin fual em mai khanin apon fen tlang thleng rak khop khanin an sui le a hem tlang a tired in chainal thei top ni anga in hria chuan in leng te kom tur chuanin a chuk thlata a bustle ti kha kor hnung ti pukna atana an vua thin achang chuanin phel mei thei turin pon fen chunga te khan an hrenga tin achang chuanin heta an kor hnuaya te khan a than pa in an vua thin ani Helen knew she was different before her teacher came to her. She had noticed that others did not use signs but talked with their mouths. Sometimes she would touch their lips while they were talking but could not understand. Azir dir tunu ron kalma de to khan Helen khan danglamani ti kha in chia anu le a thian te khanin an tong reng khanin an hmuin an tong ani ti te a hria mi an tong te khanin an in kara te wakala an hmui te wa khoya ma se om zia kha shi chuang lo ni She was vexed. She would move her lips and gesticulated meaninglessly. This made her so angry at times that she would kick and scream until she was tired. Among angin along nur em mei china achang chuan a hmui te an ti chewak waka zaizir ten an tia omzia nei lem hlei lowa a thinrim lutuk hianin a thil te an tlaw a an au vak waka a chau thleng rak mai khan a huai bak ve thin ani frantically omze nei lo exhausted chow. The most important day in Helen's life was a day her teacher, Anne Mansfield Sullivan, came to her. It was the 3rd of March 1887, just 3 months before she was 7 years old. Helene nuna hunro pui berme chu azirtir tunu Anne Mansfield Sullivan run thlenni khania chumini chu March ni thum kumsang khat zariat somriat pasari Helene kumsari thathum ma alatin ma kumruk le thak kwa ani lai ni chu azirtir tunu local ma le a local nu kan ngai tu akan khai khin chang po hian makti in kala khat thine atiani Helene hian chumini chuanin an bathlar an po cha khan dam ngoi reng le expectant base nei phur ve taksi khanin Helene po chuanin lo ngak ve rana anu te han che dan ve le tang khanin an han tlan ve ruk ruk inan han tlan lu dan ron chhuak vel de uringa wang khanin thil dang lam tak unusual tak kha a thleng don ani ti kha chu a hre thiam ve ruai ruaya ti chuanin kongkhara chuanin avakala stepa chuanin alo ngak ve ran me ni chhun alo ni chuan honeysuckle pangpar an veranda zam khat chuk mai kara chuanin ni chuan aron chhun tlan penetrated aron chhun tlang ve ro ruawa chuta chuanin Helene hmai van lam van vadak wa mai po chu aron chhun ve a kut te chuanin shemang lo ngai tu amang lo chuanin chung hna te alo khoi fo to thin te le par te chu an khoi vel Helen chuan katan hianin kampalam huna hianin thil ro pui tak nge thil mak tak hi be sei tur po hi ka hre to lawa thinrim na le lungai na vel hianin min uai thlurei to lutuka chu wang chuanin thatchiat na hianin min lua zo to ni atiani slide 53 Helen chuan education ani ma anun thim lutuk chu ti hiana te khina. Have you ever been at sea in a dense fog when it seemed as if a tangible white darkness shut you in, and the great ship, tense and anxious, groped her way toward the shore with plummet and sounding line, and you waited with beating heart for something to happen? Longlian pui chum cha war chiang em mei na atuam thim mu mai chu longlian pui mei zam tak Plummet le sounding line ina awai ri chung chunga vau kam lampana in da phei vela thin phu de pa thil lo thleng tur lo ngak reng ang hian I om to em Helen chuan education ka nei ma chuan in kanun hi chutia ang long chu ania ma se ke chuan compass emo sounding line emo po nei lovin khoya nge vau kam chu om po ka hrelowa eng min pero u ti chu ka tharau mo tong theilo ka tharau ngoi rengina a au chhuwa chu ania ti chuanin chu mangai na eng chu kha darkar azirtir tu aton darkara khanin aron langani atiani compass hi direction shiat na atana manruania north south east west khang direction kha alang theya tin sounding line chu hruimora hianin thil rit deuh mai hi an khaya chu tui chunga khanin an zut thlak thlata a tui thuk le thuk lo zong te na ta na manro pakhat ani She felt approaching footsteps and reached out her hand as she would to her mother. Someone took her hand, and Helen held close to the woman who had come to give her light and, most importantly, love. Helen chuanin pen rian shia a anuwa ban ang mei tur khanin akut khan bana tu mani chuan na kut chu lo la a Heleni chu an kwa ta a chu nu chuanin ama nuna en na ron petu tur le apoi mo zok mangai na petu tur kha alo ni reng me ni atuk zinga chuan zirti tu nu chuan aroma shwain no telem Middle School Perkins Institution a Laura Bridgman ni lo chei chu a pe a hemi chungchang hi a hnuwa an soi le a hriat le chawnia Helen hian no telem chu ri lo te in fiang pui nu chuan Miss Sullivan chuanin akuta chuanin muang changin DOLL ti kha an ziaka Helen chuan khatia kutan in fiam vel khan nuam ti phiana ati dante an zira a topa chuan a spelling dik taka an zia the nu chuanin a lom lu tuk chu no pang chelai tak khan an lai vela in ti thei box si lom box si flushed with childish pleasure and pride in hnuaya chuanin tlan thla in anu bula chuanin DOLL ti chu akut khanin an spell vela omzia tak po shelawa word ani ti po a hre chuang lawa ma se zong ina thilan zir ang tak mai khanin mi ti dan kha zir ve top me ania chumi nu chuan ni enga moza chu omza nei vak si lo enge ni po a hre lo uncomprehending way chuanin thil tam tak word tam tak kha azira pin hat cup hanti ang chi te tin sit stand walk hanti te kha azira azirtir tu nu local nu ni enga moza chu Heleni po khanin athil zirte enge ni hre thiam ni alo khanin azir ve mop mop me ni One day, while playing with her new doll, Miss Sullivan put her big rag doll into Helen's lap and spelled DOLL and tried to make her understand what it meant. Khatchu ano telem ne na ai fiam lai hian Miss Sullivan hianin puana siam no telem hi Helenimal chunga chuan ronda a ti chuanin DOLL ti kha akut khanin an spell le a hriat thiam tir kha atumani khan azirti tu nu hian MUG ti le WATER ti kha omzia hriat thiam tir tumin azirtira ma se Heleni ne khan an lo in chai viau to a chan chu Heleni khanin a hriat pol lui deuh a hre thiam du lo lui ve deuh tlat mai ni tussle ti kha in ti buai ti na nia persisted ti lui tlat confounding hriat pol persisted in confounding hrethiam du lo lui deuh tlat ti na ni chu slide 63 Miss Sullivan mang ang chuan an chol sana pa se first opportunity hun tha mu masak bera chuanin zirtir kha an tran le a Heleni kha ni lo ngai thei reng reng lowa a thinarim lutuka an ti non le mai kha slide 63 Helen took the new doll and dashed it upon the floor. Dashed. Helen John in no telem thal chu an pot thaloka ti chia tum ngei khan dashed mo ti chia tum ngei khan in chhuata khanin an vom thani. She felt neither sorrow nor regret in chirna reng poi ti na le in chirna reng kha nei lawa no telem kha angai na hek lawa tin middel na khovela chuan dona toy tak me ni hatiani azirtir tunu in ano telem ke them fragments hearth melum chem na chhuata kil khata an phia khom chuan kha anuam ti lo na lak kian saka lo om khan nuam lo ti ve veng me ni azirtir tunu in alukhum ron pek chuan pon ni luman kal chuak don ti a hria a zawang chuak eu me ni lom takin pani chuan tui chhun chhuak in honeysuckle parina khu chuk mai lam chu an pana a rim fragrance lo nam ram te chu Heleni chuanin rim tuya ti em me a someone was throwing water and her teacher placed Helen's hand under the spout. Tu muni hianin tui pama chuan tui alo pama. Miss Sullivan chuan Helen kut chu tui pam chhuana spout nuaya chuanin anda saka. Tui vot takin akut aron phu rual khan akut le lama chuan WATER ti chu an spell sak le ta a. Atira chuan muang dewin an zia saka anuwa chuan rang dewin an zia sak le a. Helen stood still, her whole attention fixed upon the motions of her fingers. Helen chu ding choi me angai to na zong kha kut che ya khanin a sorbing ta a. Thok le khata chuanin mana alo shia thin to trong kha ama chuan puan cho in ron om le ta a. Thumal om zanei ani ti te kha WATER ti khanin tui votlutuk akutaron luang tha kha ani ti kha aron hrichuak le ta a. Mystery of language kha ama hne na puan cho in alo om le ta ni. Chu thu om zanei chuanin a tharawa ron kai thawa eng beseina hlimna aron peya shiat thiam na nen a khovel thimata aron chwa zalen ta ni. Barriers har satna sutkian tur mabak tam tak chu ala nei te me umei ma se chung har satna te chu hunin alaron kalliam pui mei don ani. She was filled with a new sense of happiness. Everything had a name. Tui chun cho in chu zirbel chak na tharil ru nen an chwa san ta a. Thil reng hian hning a nei hi alo nia. Khang ming thar khan ngai to na thar aron pian tira. As they returned home, every object she touched seemed to move slightly with life. She saw everything with a strange new understanding. Anan ho chuan thilan khoi reng khan nun na nei thar siaw me hian an sia engkim me kha sia thiam na tar nen khanin a mu to ani. Tu chuan ano tulem ti chiat kha an hre chuak zoka ti chuanin heart lam pan chuanin a ke them noi chhar khom tum chuanin avakala a thei ang tok khanin han zom khom le te kha an tuma. She tried vainly to put them together, vainly om zanei lo zom khom le thei chuang lo ni. A thil ti kha asia a. For the first time she felt repentance and sorrow. Avoi khatna tan repentance in chirna le sorrow heta hi chuan poiti wanga lungnur in chirna le lungnur na kha mo shom ti na kha an nei ve ta ni. Hemini hian thutam tak azira chungzi nga chuanin mother, father, sister, teacher ti te kha asiat chun te chuan nia khang thu te kha aruna tiang aron par chuak anga a khovel ron ti par moi tu te ho kha an ni ta ni. Zana an mu chu ani ang em ano pang hlim hi anom chuang thei hianin a shelawa an wangu tin a ringa tin avoi khatna tan ni thar lo in her chuak tur chu ngak hlel tak chungin amu ve ni. Textbook a question de kha lo thlir ho ta ila. Let's infer. Number 1 kha. Helen Khan engtin nge bidang te aya adang lambik ti ain shiat chwa. Tin zo na chong ania. Paragraph shana azo na nung zo kha. Engtin nge a react. Asia chwa khan engtin nge ati. Engtin nge dan ti kha. Asia chwa dan ha kan soi to atro bidang te trong te an ena khatianga an muya an trong ti an shiat vela kutzai ziran ti velo ti vel ang zong kha chi na kan soi to kha ania azona pani na kan chan don khan paragraph a kan chanang. Question number 2. Engwangin nge Helen Khan and Mansfield Sullivan ni aton ni kha anuna ni poimo ber ati chan kan van shedon taktiro Miss Sullivan ni atana atangkai zia kha asoi kur dup me kha khang kha thiam takin kan zia kang. Number 3. Helen Khan engwangin nge education anei ma a anun kha long chum cha takina atuam ne na khai khin kha ama kha chuanin a zirtir tu nuron kalma kha chuanin anun kha siom ma a frustrate a nuara te kan ti kha ang zong te education nei nuwa a hlimzia te mo khang zong te kha kan soi tel thei ve kani. Question number 4. Engtin nge Anne Sullivan Khan Helena zirtir dan chu akut pha te khanin an spell vela spelling te khanin an zia ka zo na chong ni na Helen zirtir kha thil har sa an I ringem kan ngai dan zia tur ni ta ni paragraph na kan chananga zirtir kha har sa nia kan sia chuanin har sa ti lam hoi kha a zo na chong thum na kha ran om le engwangin nge atia khami chong ni na Helen zirtir kha thil har sa nia kan sia chuan an har sa ni na chan kha kan sia ka nga har sa lo nia kan sia chuan har sa lo nia kan sia chan kha kan zia ka nga kan ngai dan zia tur nia heta hian a ole ai kha kan support na mo kan chana kan support na that viau chuan eng zong po khanin chan the ni kha chu chan zom mei tur ni. Question number 5. Why did Helen repent breaking her doll? Helen Khan engwangin nge ano telem ati chiat kha a inchir soivak po ngai lo turo kan van thiam don tak em kha kher kha chu achan chu ama hne na khan thu kha puan chho in lo om to a khami ni wang khanin avoi khatna ta na inchir te kan ti kha. Question number 6. Helen Khan engtina muni tak khan mystery of language kha kan hne na puan chho in om ta atia trong a hriat ngai lo alo thei ngil to kha han hriat chhuale na thar kha an nei ta a engtin nge a hne na khan kha puan chhuwa lo om tui chhun chhuwa khan an chut kalatirot akuta khan an han ziak vela tui vot te an khoya khang zong kha thiam tak le moi takin sap trong nal tak mei khan kan ziak chhuak mei don ani. Let's discuss kha lo ta khan hi chu a textbook manga kan zir to te chang khan le kan ngai to na kan ril ruwa lo om khami textbook be chan deuh si khan kan ziak don ani. Number 1 a chuan tumru na le ka ishwai na tha om chuan eng har sat na po obstacle kha kan sutlang the ani ti khania chu Helenic thon thu kan ngai thla ka tangte kha anga tang khan kan som kho manga kan lo hriat sa to te nen khan textbook be chan khan kan ziak mei don ani. Number 2 thiamna zirna hian min ti chaka mihring thazok tangkai zoka min chhuah thei ani ti kha po kha Helenic thon thu tang khan chiang viawa kha po kha kan ngai tua na nen mo kan keima ni on word nen te textbook be chan khanin kan ziak le don ani. Ama zo na ang te khachu textbook a chan na om vek ang kha ni ta a tin a om lo po kha han be chan tur kha let's discuss ti anga te khachu han be chana tin keima ni han phwa chwa bel tur ang te kha omani chutia ang ni mi alo kan textbook om mi alo kan zir to te ne na in lei chin si kan zir to te kha kan apply them application kha kan thiam em ti han test na te kan creative em sap tong in tin nge kan lo thiam tu em ti ang han test na tur ang zo na kha om china heng zo na te hi a har ni reng lawa a me ro chu by heart pui ngai lo kan lo thiam sa kan thwa kan lo khol sa kan apply na tur mei kha nia example hi ta hen kan pechina number 1 a tian han en ula discuss the role of a parent in shaping the future of a child with disability vo big no pang kan ti ang chi te kha nu le pa te khan enge an enkol na an future mo an malam hun han siam na tan khan nu le pa poi mo na nu le pa khan engi an ti tur thi lampang ang hoi kha ziak ro an ti ta ni kha ang chi kha chu tam tak kha soi tu kan thre thewanga kan textbook a kha chuanin ang che khan om mi alo ni a me ro chu kan ziak tha ni a kan ziak kha sap tong dik taka kan han ziak kha chuanin mark kha a full khanin kan score pop me don ani. Number 2 where there is a will there is a way. Explain how the idiom is applicable in today's world. Kha trong upa omsa tumna chuan kong om ti kha tunlai kho vela hian a applicable lem entinge applicable dan kha han soifia te ti kha ni meya khang te po kha tumna chuan kong om kan hriat sa vek tro kha ang kha kan ziak pop pop mei don ani kan hmalam hun hi ti enga ti parvul tur hian kan tumru na le kan taimak na te hi apoimo bera nu le pa le zirtir tu te thu kan ngai chan hi apoimo fowa achan chu anni khanin kai hruaina thatak tak kha min pedon ani pathian in mitin te hi theina ro pui tak min pe thawa a hlotlin na chu kan kuta oma chu wang chuanin hemi hi sharing a future bright tak nei tur chuan keima ani kan poimo ber ani ti kha sharing ang o kalome